Puerto Vallarta, Nogolito Eco Park, Riverwalk, and Falls. If you like to get out of the city and experience the natural area, then this hike is for you. The reward for taking the hike is a swim at the pools along the way or at the falls. It's just a short 20-minute ride on the bus to get to the start of the hike. First, you catch the bus at the corner of Paseo Badillo and Constitution in Centro. The cost for the bus is only 10 pesos. And then you get the driver to drop you off along the highway at the entrance road to the town of Nogolito. You just follow the signs to the town and the Eco Park for about 1.9 kilometers, and then you're there. You can go through the Eco Park or go directly into the river at the parking lot at that point. The hike to the falls is only 2.4 kilometers. It's a beautiful hike. About half of it is on pass and the other half is through the water. So you'll need a good pair of shoes, something that has good traction so you don't slide as you sort of climb over some of the rocks. I'll say there's a few more obstacles this year than in the past. The recent hurricane that happened in October knocked over a few trees, so at some point you need to sometimes hike around those or under and through them to make it to your final destination. The waterfalls is absolutely beautiful. Highly recommend this hike. Also, there is a bar and restaurant in the Eco Park, which is very good. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.